Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my fourth video in my 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge is where you make a video and a blog post every day for 30 days. And you do it on a specific topic. And this topic is on affiliate marketing. And this is the fourth video that I've done. And these are kind of rehashed trainings that I did in the past. This one here is on affiliate networks, the different types of affiliate networks. So let's go in and watch that training, and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is video 4 in my training series on affiliate marketing. And this video is on the different affiliate networks. Okay, these are the different affiliate networks in the different categories. As you know, we have digital products, we have physical products, and we have cost per action. Okay, and these are the different basic websites, the most popular ones that are connected to these different areas. You have clickbank.com in a digital products. You have jvzoo.com, and you have warriorplus.com. Those are the most popular ones in digital products. And in physical products, you have amazonassociates.com. You have shareasale.com. And then you have linkshare.com. There are other networks. These are just the basic ones. They're the most popular ones. And then cost per action. You have Max Bounty, maxbounty.com. Perform CB, formerly known as ClickBooth. And then you have Digital Media Solutions. So those are the three basic categories and the networks associated with them. Digital products, clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, warriorplus.com, physical products, amazonassociates.com, shareasale.com, linkshare.com, cost per action, maxbounty.com, performcb.com, digitalmediasolutions.com. So anyway, those are the basic networks and the ones that they're connected to. So anyway, we'll move on into the next training series. Okay, that was a previous video that I did in the past about affiliate marketing networks. You can read the blog post in the description. Wherever you're seeing this at, it's on Facebook, it'll be up above. If it's on YouTube, it'll be down below. I usually leave a link to my blog post in my comments. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow.